Welcome to Help Screen. And if you want to know how to log out Amazon account from all devices, first thing, open up your Amazon application and go to your profile down below or the person icon. And from here at the top, you should be able to see here account. So tap on account. And now here on your account, you could just simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit and you should be able to see here devices. So tap on devices. And here on the devices tab, you should be able to see here all of your devices that are connected. And when I tap on it, as you can see, we should be able to see here the list of all devices that we have. So you will just simply select deregister and tap on deregister in order for you to remove your devices. And you can just simply keep on doing that on all devices and should be able to register them and remove them all. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.